Hello friends, welcome to today's budget video. Sorry, my brain isn't working. So today we are going to be stuffing these cash envelopes like we did last week. I do have a couple of new envelopes to stuff today, so I'm excited about that. I also have my notebook here. Again, I got this at Walmart. And it just says, every day I'm hustling, which I really think is cute. And then we're going to go, if I can find today's. I went too far. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, it says May week 1. And we have all of these envelopes to stuff. But before I get started, I did want to show you guys one thing. So I have here my bill pay checklist. Now I'll zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm talking about here. So as you see, it says bill pay checklist. Then I wrote for the month of May. I did not put them in order here by date. I just didn't think that, but I did put them in order of usually how I pay them. So that they, I can see that when and how they need to be paid. So I just put what we need to pay, the dates that they are due, not necessarily when I pay them, just when, like, the day that they're absolutely due, and then the amounts, and then I can check off here once I've paid the thing. So these are things that I do not stuff. These are things that I usually just leave in my account and do it that way, except for my car payment, because I have those split into 2 increments. I usually do stuff those into my car loan envelope, which we didn't do last week, because I only do this twice a week on paydays. So we will be stuffing car pay 1 this week. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you how I listed out all of my bills, because like some of them, like credit cards and my husband's motorcycle insurance, those things come out automatically. A lot of these things I pay over the phone, things like that. So those things stay in my account at all times. Okay, so we will get on to filling out what we need for our cash envelopes this week. I just realized I don't remember exactly what I'm putting into here, so I'm gonna actually write it down really quick. Okay, so I kind of wrote them down. I'm really hoping that I got them correctly, because I do not have my other paper on me to tell me what is what. But yeah, so let's just get into writing these down. So of course my weekly spending ones are ones that I have not been stuffing with cash, which are these ones here, my groceries, my Costco, and my eating out ones. We will not be stuffing those with cash because, as I said last week, a lot of people are not taking cash, or they just really don't want to touch dirty money, so, which I completely understand. So I'll just give me a budget, and then I'll just leave this in my account. So groceries is going to get $140, and that's what I usually put for groceries, and this is including, toiletries, household things, cleaning supplies, just pretty much anything that you can buy at Walmart goes in this thing for the house or for food. And then Costco is going to get 0 because I will not be going to Costco this week. And then eating out gets my usual $40. And of course, that's there's 4 people in my household, so that gives us about $10 a person to eat out at least once a week. And then down here to my sinking funds. If you're not sure or have never seen one of these budget videos before, sinking funds are just funds that you put money in for multiple weeks, months, years, and it just accumulates or things like Christmas where you know, start in January and add up until, you know, it's time to buy Christmas presents. You know, just things like that. My car loan, I usually have one for that just because I put one half of the payment in, you know, every 2 weeks. So I'll put in $210 the first paycheck and then $210 the next paycheck, and then I can go and pay it. So that's what I do with my sinking funds. I don't know if they're all considered sinking funds or just what I consider sinking funds. They're things that I put money into and then I put them into my safe and just leave them there until I fill them the next week. So kids is going to get $10, and I believe this is going to be, I'm not going to put any more money into this after today, at least for a couple of weeks, because I'm not really spending that money. And so once I put this $10 in, the envelope will have like $24, so I don't feel like it's necessary to put any more money in it as of right now. Because, you know, I'm not going to school, they're not eating lunch, none of that stuff. And then the car loan, of course, is going to get $210. And I'm sorry about like the non-aesthetic look here. I was putting them close together and then realized I wanted them kind of separated apart, so that's what happened there. And of course I still don't have any whiteout, so this is what we're working with today. And then savings is going to get its usual $140. Fun funds is going to get its usual $20. That's the one these two are the ones I'm a little concerned about. I'm pretty sure that that's what it's supposed to get, but we'll figure it out once we get the cash out. Christmas is going to get its usual $20. And then my two new ones is car maintenance, and that can be for an oil change, you know, if your tags need to be, you know, your car registration needs to be done, you know, new tires, anything like that. We're going to start getting things accumulated for that. And then my next one is for beauty, and this is just so that I can save up some money to get my hair done once, you know, all of this is over with and you know, all this craziness is over with, and I can go to the salon and get my hair done. So yeah, so car maintenance is going to get 25 and beauty is going to get another 25. And that is all for my cash envelopes. And now I will get the cash envelopes and cash all set up here for you guys, and we will get to stuffing those envelopes. Okay, so we've got our cash here and our envelopes, and of course, you know, groceries here, groceries, Costco, and eating out are not going to get anything stuffed. And of course I still have the $7 in my eat out envelope, you know, just to save. So these ones will not be getting stuffed today. So the kids envelope is going to get $10. So remember I told you I made these last time, so we'll fill that out. So this gives me a total of, yeah, there's a lot of ones in here. It gives me a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, so $24 in my kids envelope. So again, I probably will not be adding any more into this for right now. And I'm sorry if the lighting changed. It looks like the sun went behind a cloud. But let me hurry and fill this out really quick. So today is 5/2. We put $10 in, which gives a total of 24. And then we will put this back in to here like that. Okay, next envelope is my car loan, which, like I said, I put half in now and then half in in the next paycheck. So that gets $210. So that is 1, 2, and 10. And that is going to go into my car loan envelope. And then when I fill it next paycheck, then I can take it all and go pay my car payment. And let's move these together. And then my next one is savings, and it is going to get $140. So 1, 20, 40. And then as of right now, it has a total of 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 420. Sorry, I could not count there for a minute. So it has $420. And that is only 3 weeks worth of stuffing that envelope. So again, we're gonna put plus $100, and $40, which equals 420. Next up is my fun funds. My money keeps getting all cray here. Next is fun funds, and it is going to get $20. And then it looks like I only have 20 in here, so that's 40. Alright, so 20, 40 into there. Plus 20. So that gives me a total of $40 into that. Next is Christmas, which is going to get $20. Which should give me a total of 120. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. So wait, hold on. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So that is $120 into Christmas, which I know doesn't seem a lot considering it's May, but like I said in my last video, I kind of just stopped stuffing these for a while. So I may start putting a little extra into this one in the next couple of weeks just to try to get caught up, because I'm hoping to have $800 saved up by November, you know, because that's usually when you go Christmas shopping. But we will definitely see what we can do there. So we are adding another $20, which gives me a balance of 125, or 120. Sorry, not 125. Okay, and then the next one is one of my new ones, which is car maintenance, and it is going to get a total of 100, or my brain is not working, I'm sorry. It's going to get a total of $25, so 20 and 5. And it is going to go into here. And so that is that. I realized I did not put this one back into Christmas envelope. And I will be making some little index cards for the new ones too. I just haven't made them yet. And then last but not least is my beauty one, and it is going to get the last $25. And of course, you know, these ones don't have anything in them because this is the first time stuffing them. Alright guys, that is all of my envelopes stuffed for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, go give it a like, subscribe. I know this is kind of a new thing to my channel, but I really hope that you guys are enjoying this. If you do, you know, leave a comment down below, whatever have you. Let me know if you like the videos or not, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!